Jai Gurudev and good day to all students. In this video we are going to see about lesson number 2, Introduction to Scratch part 3. In this video we are going to learn about components of Scratch window. Let's learn. Components of Scratch window. The Scratch main window can be accessed by clicking on the Scratch icon. Students, look at this one. This is Scratch icon. I click this one. You can see this one on the screen. Students, now Scratch window will open. Now Scratch is loading. Students, let us learn about the components of the Scratch main window. The screen is divided into many sections or pans. Each section has different functions. First, we are going to see about toolbar. What is that? Toolbar. The toolbar at the top of the window has the file, edit and tutorial menu. Now you can see this one. This is toolbar. You can see file, edit, tutorial. They consist of a list of options. Students, what is that first menu? The first menu is File menu. Now I click File menu. It will display 3 buttons. The first one is New. Second one is Load from your computer. Third one is Save to your computer. First one is New. Second one is Load from your computer. Third one is Save to your computer. Let's see about second menu, that is Edit menu. Students, now I click Edit menu. It shows 2 buttons. First one is Restore. Second one is Turn on Turbo Mode. The first button is Restore. The Restore button can restore deleted sprites or objects. Second one is, what is that, students? Second button, Turn on Turbo Mode. Turn on Turbo Mode is used to make the project run 30 times faster. Third menu is Tutorial menu. Now I click Tutorial menu. The Tutorial menu offers a wide variety of tutorials for animation, art, music, games and stories. Now you can see this one. First one is animation, second one is art, third one is music, fourth one is games and fifth one is stories. Next we are going to see about globe icon. The toolbar also contains a globe icon which is used to change the language. Now I click globe icon. You can see this one on the screen. This is globe icon. Now you can see down arrow. Now I click this down arrow. It will display language. You can select any language from this list. Now I have select English language. Now you can see this one on the screen. You can select any language from this list. I am searching English language. Now you can see that. Yes, I select English language. Next we are going to see about second component, that is Sprite Header Pan. Look at the screen carefully. This is Sprite Header Pan. It contains 3 tabs, namely Code. Second one is Costumes. Third one is Sounds. It contains 3 tabs. Now we are going to see about that component, that is Block Palette. The block palette can be accessed by clicking the Code tab in the Sprite Header Pan. Now you can see this one. This is Code tab. Now I click this one. The block palette is where all the code blocks exist. Blocks are color coded by category. These blocks can be dragged to the scripting area to either code sprites or the stage. Sprite means objects, stage means background. Students, look at this one. These are blocks. The blocks are in color. blocks are colored coded by category. These blocks can be tracked to spread area to either code spreads or the stage. Second tab is costumes tabs. You can see this one on the screen. Now I click costumes tabs. It will display a lot of options. Third one is sound. Click this one. It will display sounds. Next we are going to see about fourth component, that is scripts area. Now you can see this one. This is scripts area. Scripts area is where the code is tracked to and put together. This is script area. Next we are going to see about fifth component, that is stage area. The stage area is where we can see the code come to life. Now you can see one cat. This is stage area. Students, in this video we have learnt about components of Scratch window. We have learnt about tool power component and a sprite header pan component and a black palette component, script area and stage area. Students, I hope this concept is easy to understand, easy to learn. Thank you, students.